So, hey everyone, I'm Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, AI engineer, and founder of Shivai, this particular channel, and my startup that is in work right now. And if you're wondering, being a data analyst, can you transition into becoming a data analyst? The answer is yes, but you will need to have a structured learning program for it and the right sets of skills, and I'm here for it. So in this video, I'll break down the skills, step-by-step roadmap, and also my personal journey to help you make this transition much faster. And if you want, and you are serious about making that move, I have two hidden gems for you that I'll be later discussing more. But first is my data analytics mastery one-on-one coaching program where I'll be teaching you like a mentor one-on-one. That is for 20,000. And another one is my ultimate data analyst resource pack. That is for 1K. And they're both designed to accelerate your learning and career shift. And with the ultimate resource path, you can learn yourself. So step one, let's focus on the steps now. Understanding the difference between being a data analyst and a data scientist. So a data analyst primarily works in a structured data, using Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI to extract insights and visualize trends. And they focus on cleaning and analyzing data and creating dashboard and reports and business intelligence and storytelling. Whereas a data scientist, on the other hand, builds predictive models and develop machine learning algorithm that uses Python, R, TensorFlow, and AI frameworks to train machine learning models, automate decision making with AI, and work with unstructured data, text, images, and speech. And so transitioning into data science means upskilling in AI, ML, and deep learning. So step two is to learn skills that you need for this transition. So if you're a data analyst, you already have strong data analytical skills. So now what you need to learn is to become a data analyst. A data scientist from a data analyst is I listed out below. So first is Python or R. I'll recommend Python that is used for advanced data manipulation and modeling. And second is machine learning that is understanding regression, classification, and clustering algorithm. And third one is deep learning, learning about neural networks with TensorFlow or PyTorch. And then big data technologies, you need to learn probability, linear algorithm, and optimizing techniques that are there. So I covered all these concepts in my data analytics mastery one-on-one coaching program. So you don't have to waste time, figuring out what to do next and how to do it. I can mentor it you. So that thing is there. And being the step three, is how to gain practical experience. So this one is very important. A lot of people keep asking me for it. And don't mind, I just came from a run. So knowing theory is one thing, but hands-on practice will get you hired basically. So here I'll tell about how to gain real-world experience. So first is to work on real-world projects. So start with Kaggle competitions, open data sets and GitHub repos, and then build a portfolio, showcase your data learning machine learning and data learning models and AI projects online, and then participate in AI hackathons, and then join challenges to solve problems using AI and ML. And then, so for this particular one, my 1,000 ultimate, 1,000 rupees ultimate data analytics resource pack includes a real world projects, data set, cheat sheets, and more than 2,000 plus of curated resource that will help you bring out and bring a strong portfolio to life that you can apply for the jobs. So step last one, that is step four for you guys is to applying for data science roles. So once you have the skills and portfolio, it's time to apply for the job. So start with junior data analyst and ML engineer roles, and then data science, data scientist internship will be there in startups or MNCs. You can join them. And even AI research associate is there. That is an AI-driven company, so that you can also apply on. So the existing data analyst experience gives you a edge, like you have highlighted SQL, BI, and statistical skills will showcase your AI projects on your resume and will get you more easily hired. So I'll tell you how I built my AI and data analyst career. So I started my career as a data analyst and working on real world projects and gradually moving towards machine learning and AI engineering. So basically when my breakthrough came when I was doing my job only, so I transitioned into this particular team, and I'm working both of the teams at the same time. So basically, I build my skills myself, and then I've been publishing AI projects all in there. I'm sharing content on LinkedIn and making these YouTube videos. Then working on Shivai. So working with real world projects and business problem help and gives you an edge. So this eventually led me to, found Shivai, where I can help professionals transition into AI and data scientists through, structured mentorship and training program. So you don't need a PhD or Ivy League degree, to you just need the right skills and strong portfolio and you can get the job. So how to fast track this transition will be in my resource pack. So if you are, switching from a data analyst to data scientist, I have created two exclusive resources as I talked in the first starting of the video. First is the ultimate data analytics resource pack that is for 1000. That has cheat sheet for Python, SQL, AI, and a lot more. And it has AI projects code and everything is there, and more than 2000 curated learning resources. And then second one is Data Analytics Mastery one-on-one coaching program. That is a 12-week personalized AI and data science mentorship program that will give you also, I'll be teaching you how to give mock interviews, how to do resume reviews and job application strategies. And then live coding sessions will be there and project guidance will be there. So these resources will help you, transition from data analyst to data scientist in a record time you can answer. So all the links will be in my description in the top mate. You can check it out. So if you have data analyst experience, it's really easy to transition to data scientist role. You just need a bit of upscaling and applying AI concepts that are there. So with the right map, particular mind map and road map that you need to have, you can make the switch between 6 to 12 months. It can be shorter also depending on the skill set and the zeal that you have. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. You can ask me questions also. So if you found this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with people who will need it. And subscribe for more career guidance and more content that is there. And don't forget to check out the top mid links for all the resources. And I'll see you guys in the next one.